It was a bit after 9:30 at night. I was on my computer, tracking the space station. Recently I purchased a SDR and was hoping to use it to listen to the astronauts. As I watched my screen, I noticed something on a nearby frequency. I switched to it, hoping it was them. What was that? I've heard similar sounds before, but from space? I went to an online database to see if I could figure out what it was from. After a few hours, I had to give up. Nothing was matching the sound I heard. The next day, I continued my search to try identifying the sound. I listened to a variety of recordings of sounds from space. I knew it wasn't terrestrial since the database didn't have any matches. With each recording I listened to, my hopes of identifying the sound got smaller. Nothing I was listening to matched it. I started to think about the wow signal. Could the sound I heard be from beyond our solar system? The Milky Way was directly above me when I detected it, so I figured I would try to find it again. The next few nights were spent listening and hoping I would get lucky. But night after night, I heard nothing but silence. It was nearly a week later when I would hear it again. This lasted for about 10 minutes. As I watched and listened, I noticed it changed frequencies. The way it moved reminded me of the Doppler effect. This told me it had to be a man-made object, or at least something close to Earth and moving fast. I turned my attention to the satellites that were overhead at the time. One by one I narrowed my list down. That's when I noticed something I've forgotten about: the space station. The frequency I was listening to was associated with it, but the particular system had been offline for nearly a year. After a bit more research, I have found it came back to life. It seems my hunt for the unknown has ended as quickly as it began. Or did it?